That's a lot of leaves. So I've owned this thing for about 1.5 years now, and frankly, it's one of those things that I just wish I had gotten sooner. I've probably cleaned hundreds of PCs at this point with this thing, and it's still going strong after all of that use. With that many PCs, the amount of money I've saved is probably at least in the hundreds of dollars range. Not just because it saved me from buying millions of compressed air cans, but also because I didn't buy the data vac. Yikes. It also meant I didn't need to buy a leaf blower. It can also be said though that you can just save even more money by using a hairdryer or even a painter's brush that you have lying around. But not all hairdryers have a cool air button, and brushes tend to wear out and they definitely take more time. But of course, if you feel like going that route, it's definitely possible, and you'll probably get a better result too. That's because this thing is more or less suited to doing a quick and dirty PC clean. You'll still need to get in there with one of the included brushes or a wipe of some kind if you want to make it look brand new. But it does get the majority of the job done fairly quickly and easily. And that's really all I needed to do, other than clearing my driveway, of course. This is gonna take a while. But you know what won't take a while? You finding out why I can't live without these other PC tools.